In this video, let's analyze queer theory, how it operates. See, queer theory is an interdisciplinary field that emerged in the late 20th century to challenge the heteronormative assumptions about gender and sexuality. See, there are many tenets, but let us analyze only five important tenets of queer theory. Number one, heteronormativity. See, the queer theory critiques the social and cultural norms that privilege heterosexual relationship and identifies over other forms of sexual and gender expression as not good. It challenges the idea that heterosexuality is the norm and that all other forms of sexual and gender expression are deviant and abnormal. It doesn't accept that. Second tenet is fluidity. It emphasizes the fluidity of gender and sexual identity. It recognizes that individuals may experience multiple shifting identities over the course of their lives. It is not necessary what the gender identity you are born with, you have to proceed with the same thing. So if you feel after some time, if mentally feel that you belong to something else, you are obviously allowed to change. That's what queer theory says. You should have a fluid identity, not fixed identity. And they condemn the traditional binary categories of male, female, or gay and straight relationship. They don't go with only this binary relationship, they go with anything else. Third thing is intersectionality. And here it recognizes that gender and sexuality intersect. Gender and sexuality both are different term. It intersect with other forms of social identity such as race, what else? Ethnicity, caste, and ability. It also emphasizes the importance of understanding how multiple forms of expression and privilege intersect to shape individual experiences and identities. The reason of this emphasis is because the plurality has to be accepted. Fourth aspect is performativity. Performativity says that performative aspects of gender and sexual identity is important. It also argues that gender and sexual identities are not fixed or inherent but are constructed and performed through social and cultural practices. Because when culture says that you have to behave only this way, you have to wear this dress, and you go ahead with that, you are unable to do what you think. It questions that. Last one is resistance. The resistance, because it in this aspect it emphasizes that individuals and the communities may resist what? Heteronormativity. It may assist the heteronormativity through various forms like activism, artistic expression, and cultural production, because they never agree that heteronormativity is a fixed one. It should be subverted and it should be changed. So these are the five tenets of queer theory, and all our videos are meant for only beginners. We never discuss any advanced level analysis. We discuss only beginner level thing. I hope this will be useful, and let me catch you in the next video.